Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on OPPO Reno 13F. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to find parental controls and click let's do this. Then click sign in, select Google. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click accept. Now click on supervise. And click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And now you have to enter your parent password. And then you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Then click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.